Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Origami Pikachu that it can stand up, and it's mostly 3D, I guess. So let's get our paper and get started. So I'm going to use a regular sheet of origami paper. I'm going to fold it corner to corner, so I get a big triangle. Now I'm going to unfold and fold this edge right to the crease. Make sure it's exact so you get the point here. Sharp. Crease sharply and do the same on the other side. So now, we're going to take this area, sort of, actually, we're going to fold this over here. We're not going to do that yet. We're going to fold this over here. And then we're going to do that there. And we're going to do the same on the other side. And then we're going to unfold. So now we're going to unfold everything. And we can see there's a crease here. We're going to fold along that again. Crease sharply. We're going to keep it sort of like this. We're going to fold this down like that. I'm going to place it over here. I'm going to do the same on this side. So we get this. Now, we're sort of going to stick our fingers in this little flap here and squash it down so it's a square. So like that. Next, we're going to fold this right to that middle line, and then we're going to mirror it so we also get it on the other side. When we see there's a little line here, we're going to fold that over. So it's like that. Now we're going to unfold those flaps, and we're going to sort of open this up, sort of place these inside. For this model, I recommend using a bigger sheet of paper, like a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. But I'm using 15 by 15, so I get this size. But if you want, if you use 20 by 20, you get a little larger. And I think it looks better like that. So now we have this diamond shape here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna close this down. We're gonna flip it to the side and sort of fold it like that, and put it back. Fold it down here and put it back. So we're gonna unfold and then refold this up. So now we're gonna fold this tiny corner here down like that. Now we're gonna fold it down here. I'm gonna fold it one more time down like that. Now this is gonna become the face right here. fold these ends. So we get like that. I'm going to fold this back. So now we have our face. Then what we're going to do is we're going to flip this up there. So we're actually going to unfold this part. So there's like this. We're going to unfold there, and actually I'm going to put this up in there, put this up in there, like that. And I'm going to flip it over like that, and I'm going to do this along that line. I'm going to do the same here. Then we're going to flip it over again, and we're going to sort of shape the ears. So we're going to take this flap like that and sort of move it around until you get like good place. It's up to you, really. There's really no perfect spot. It's just like that. You flatten it out. You do the other side, make sure it's symmetrical. If it's not symmetrical, then they look really weird, and that'd be a really bad Pikachu. Just take your time, make sure it's all good. There's no rush. Like that. So now we got your ears, and then we're gonna flip it over. Finally, we're gonna flip this down here. Just like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up a bit, sort of flatten it down. So we're gonna open up this side, put it against the ear, and flatten it down. So that it stays there. It won't come back up. Like that. So then, once we have that, we're going to turn it over. We're going to open these out a bit. So it's like this. So open the back, don't open the front. Open these a bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold it right there. Put your finger here, sort of align it up, and sort of crease there. Don't crease all the way there. I mean, you can, but it might not look as well. And then we're just going to do the same here, just like that. Now we're going to unfold it a bit like this. So now we're going to start shaping it better. So we're going to, you see this spot here? We're just going to press here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to, so it does that. Shape it so it's like that. There shouldn't be a crease here. So I'm just gonna fold along the creases here. And this is gonna form the tail. So I'm just gonna do that. And make sure the tail is over here. We're gonna stick it up like that. And remember to do that. So we get something like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shape this around, you know, sort of do that. So we get something like that. Then you can sort of shape the bottom a bit so that it looks more 3D and it looks a little better. You can put tape here. I wouldn't recommend it. And you can put here. I wouldn't recommend it, but I'm just gonna do it here for demonstrational purposes. So I'm just gonna take a bit of tape. I'm gonna just put it right there. I mean, the tape is optional. You don't have to do it. I'm just gonna do it because it looks better. Like that. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sort of, so you see these little flaps here? We're gonna tuck this under so we can put it inside the ears so it stays. Like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the tail, so we're gonna fold that up there, fold that down there, fold that up there, fold that down there. So we get this. This is going to be our tail, like that, and you can shape it however you want. But then there we go, our Origami Pikachu. And you can draw the face, like what I did here, and the ears, but that's really just it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.